What's up guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome back to another awesome video. The D set is now on approach to platform 5. It is running about a minute late. Wonder what set it will be this time. Same set again. Flat spot. Got me again.
Train now platform number 5 is not in service. Please stand clear of the train at platform number 5. This train is not in service.
Doors closing. Please stand clear.
Station staff, please remain behind the yellow line. This train is now due to depart. Thank you.
Platform 5 goes to Newcastle Interchange. First stop Barara, then all stations to Woy Woy, then all stations to Gosford, then all stations to Wyong, then all stations to Broadmeadow, then Hamilton and Newcastle Interchange.
Alrighty guys, thank you guys so much for watching. And it's time to head down to Warwick Farm to do somebody's request. Michael Joshua Lewis, you requested a train spotting video at Warwick Farm.